First, log in to the Clever app. For directions, watch the Clever app video. Once logged into Clever, find STMath and click to open. A box will ask, "Open this page in STMath?" Click Open. Students have been instructed to play the gray, which means to click on all things that are gray to advance through the app. From there, your child should work on the app as their teacher has assigned. When your child is finished, click the back arrow and keep clicking until the red X appears. You will see Today's Accomplishments, which lists how long your child spent on STMath. Then click the red X to close the STMath app. You may notice there is a separate STMath app located on the iPad. This app needs to be installed in order for the program to work successfully, but your child should not access it from this app. You can just ignore the STMath app and always log in with the Clever app. Double-click the Home button to close all open apps.